Ethereum value equivalent to 28,359 rands a coin. The present cost range, 28,273. 28,617. The earlier day close, 28,556. The change was 197. 0.69%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, WAC 6, cost 27,298 rands, high 29,209. Low 25,387. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost 27,174 rands, high 29,076. Low 25,272. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost 27,812 rands, high 29,759. Low 25,865. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, WAC 9, cost 27,239 rands, high 29,146. Low 25,332. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, WAC 10, cost 27,114 rands, high 29,012. Low 25,216. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday, WAC 13, cost 28,187 rands, high 30,160, low 26,214. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost 27,911 rands, high 29,865, low 25,957. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 27,097 rands, high 28,994. Low 25,200. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 27,579 rands, high 29,510, low 25,648. Ethereum estimate on Friday, WAC 17, cost 27,266 rands, high 29,175, low 25,357. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, WAC 20, cost 26,384 rands, high 28,231, low 24,537. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost 27,014 rands, high 28,905, low 25,123. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost 26,870 rands, high 28,751, low 24,989. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, WAC 23, cost 26,964 rands, high 28,851, low 25,077. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, WAC 24, cost 27,552 rands, high 29,481, low 25,623. In 3 weeks Ethereum estimate on Monday, WAC 27, cost 27,298 rands, high 29,209, low 25,387. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost 29,682 rands, high 31,760, low 27,604. Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost 30,972 rands, high 33,140. Low 28,804. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, WAC 30, cost 30,443 rands, high 32,574, low 28,312. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, WAC 31, cost 30,479 rands, high 32,613. Low 28,345. In about a month Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 31,562 rands, high 33,771, low 29,353. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 30,984 rands, high 33,153, low 28,815. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2023. Before all else cost at 29,363 rands, excessive cost 33,140, while low cost 24,537, The arrived at the midpoint of cost 29,380. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 30,479. Change for spring 3.8%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2023. Before all else cost at 30,479 rands. Excessive cost 34,784. While low cost 26,205. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 30,994. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 32,508. Change for April 6.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. Initially cost at 32,508 rands. Excessive cost 37,059. While low cost 32,211. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 34,103. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 34,635, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for June 2023. To start with cost at 34,635 rands, exorbitant cost 42,989. While low cost 34,635. The found the middle value of cost 38,109. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 40,177. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 40,177 rands. Excessive cost 40,177. While low cost 34,171. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 37,817. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 36,743. Change for July 8.5%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 36,743 rands. Excessive cost 36,743. While low cost 28,704. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,264. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 30,864. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 30,864 rands. Excessive cost 38,308. While low cost 30,864. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,960. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 35,802. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 35,802 rands. Excessive cost 35,802. While low cost 30,212. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 33,576. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 32,486. Change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 32,486 rands. Exorbitant cost 33,150. While low cost 28,812. The found the middle value of cost 31,000.